see it rolling down that way?
Yeah.
What if we see it charging towards us? It is getting a little closer, to be honest.
Oh, that's so crazy.
Look, I'm not even moving my phone.
Yeah.
Phone is still. And it's still moving. So it's not a camera trick. Oh my god, it's in the yard, bro. It's getting closer. Come this way if you want to talk to us. Make a sign. Make the wind blow hard. Dude, the tree just started moving. It was moving already, I guess.
Whoa, dude. It's right there. Make a sound or say something.
It's just chilling with us, bro. It's just right here chilling with us. I'm shivering right now, man. Oh my god, he's right here with us.
Dude, I'm looking right here. I'm looking right here.
Move! Move!